Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmons Essentials. Want to bring you another original design. This is the Limerick knot, another St. Patrick's Day knot. This is a form of poetry that's often associated with St. Patrick's Day. So let's go ahead and get started. That's what a Limerick is. So this is my left side. It's at the belt line as usual. Same routine. We're just going to come over here. We're going to put in a fold, whatever you want to do. We're just going to bring this up and over like this. Tighten that up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it like this right here. So this is what I have so far. It's kind of a right angle going this direction to my left. And we're just going to bring that around like this. Then I'm going to come across the bottom and I'm just going to fold down like that. Another angle going down. Then I'm just going to come back up here like this. I'm just going to fold it like that. So we have this. Fold it again. And then fold it yet again. Because then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half like this, and I'm going to bring it through all of those three. And then fold it in half and bring it through this one right here. Spread it out. There we have it. So to see the picture of this, go to my Instagram, SimmonsEssentials, to see the picture of this knot. On your own side, my friends, you're fearfully, wonderfully made. Again, happy St. Patrick's Day to you. Peace and God bless.